slide around here. And all my vining type items, squash, cucumbers, watermelons, pumpkins, they're all growing crazy. Now you're gonna see this right here a lot. I know a lot of people are gonna call it blight, and it has gotten a lot of water. It's not root bound for sure. But what's going on, and you'll see this throughout the garden, when you use that 3% peroxide to kill off the fungus and the slugs and the green inchworm, cabbage worms, even though you dilute the peroxide burns wherever the insects, slugs were eating on. Just like when you put it on a wound, how it bubbles up. Pretty much the same thing on the plants. Wherever it got just a little bit too much or too much eating on. And right above it you can see tomato plant got eaten bad by the worms, caterpillars. And then when I put the 3% on it, it pretty much finished burning it up. But the plants are growing great. There's another tomato plant. I think this batch, honestly, I got just a little too hot with that peroxide. I'm gonna scoot down here. There's an eggplant. Looks like it's budding out. Oh yeah, look at there. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm seeing things for the first time too. I knew that those were getting ready to flower, but you're seeing that flower the same time I am. More squash. This right here is lemon thyme. It is really good. Tomato plant that grew up on its own. When we go through here, the corn, I even took some specific pictures, but for this video, when we go through here, I've got 9 different types of corn. Purple corn, white corn, popcorn, Indian corn. Here's some cilantro. This is called spicy cilantro. It doesn't look like cilantro, but it smells like cilantro and it tastes like cilantro initially. But then when you start getting some of that juice down your throat, all of a sudden it starts burning. Woo! Yeah, that is some good stuff. This is one of my surprise plants right here. This is squash. Now last year on this particular bed, the ants infested this side really heavy. And I didn't really think anything was gonna grow in this side, so I kind of like put some things that I wasn't worried about in here. But as you can see, those ants did good, even though after I killed them off. Cabbage. There's red corn. Could be purple corn too. I'm sure it's purple corn. Oh, I got some black corn in here too. I'm gonna have to look for it. But here's some damage from the. These are from slugs. This one right here was infested with those green cabbage worms. After this video, I'm gonna prune all this really bad stuff off. And my daughter Emily's coming by. She's gonna get all the bad vegetable leaves, all the prune stuff that I'm doing, and go feed them to our goats and chickens and stuff. See all the bottom? Oh man, that looks like some good cabbage there. So a video or two ago in a blog I did, me and Nana came out here and we collected a bunch of the good leaves off of the cabbages, and we had a really nice meal. Yeah, look at that, it's curling up. There's some cucumbers. Aren't those flowers gorgeous? Now the dust, this is not Sevin dust, this is Demacious earth. So these are all potato. They're coming from potato peelings that my daughters, all three of them, they give me some table scrap type stuff every week, and I feed the worms that are in the beds with them. Anyways, these are potatoes that I did not put in the ground purposely. So you can see the ants. So what I've seen is happening is that the slugs, they climb up and down all these plants and they secrete whatever they secrete, and these ants are cleaning up the slug juices. We got strawberries coming in. So this item is laying down. This is, we're gonna dig this one out. If you know what it is, don't tell nobody. I'm gonna dig it out and show you what it is. Thing's in there deep. There it is. I got it. Here it comes. Let's smell it together. Woo! Woo! That is some strong garlic. Wow! Lay that here and we'll come and get it. So this here, this row right here, all right, last year this had peppers, tomatoes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Peppers and tomatoes in it. This year it's squash, zucchini. So the zucchini's right here on this side, on the right side as we're looking at it. Sorry for the shadow, I see it. And then on this side we got the cucumbers, and on the edge is tomatillos. So I want to show you, and I didn't know these leaves got this big. Let's go down here. I want to show you guys something. Look how tall these stalks are. They're probably 2 foot tall. Let's go over here, got some new growth. Look how big that flower is. Yeah, I'm getting infested with ants in there. They're eating all the yumminess. By the way, I will tell you, those flowers right there, they taste like candy. Oh, what do we got here? That's cucumbers. Check this flower out. There's one on the right. Wow. There's a whole bunch right there. Getting ready to come open. Now, here's part of the bad. This is my potatoes. They're all dead, laying over. This is Demacious earth. The ants were just crazy in here. They literally devastated So what's supposed to be right here, which is there's a little bit left, but this is purple potatoes there, and yellow potatoes, red potatoes. We still got some growth coming, but they're slowly disappearing. And then on the end was these were the awesome golden yellow, I think is what they were called. These things were huge. Wow. And then just literally in about a week's time, between the rain and the ants, so I dug them up. The one on this corner had 3 potatoes, and they had new growth on them, so I just buried them back down, see if they come up. Here's the bean aisle, which I'm very impressed with. So if you remember in a past video or two, there's 9 different types of beans and about 6 types of peas in here, all mixed in. Wildflowers on the sides and onions on the sides. We've pretty much harvested half of the onions already, and we've gotten 2 meals of the beans and sweet peas out of here already. I can't keep some of these sweet peas. I can turn around and eat them. Let's eat this thing. Can you hear that crunch? Yeah, I'm eating that thing. Oh wow, there's another one. We're gonna have breakfast right here. Look at that. You want that? Let's eat that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, real good. I could eat those all day. Tomatoes. So here's what's going on with the tomatoes. Because we've had so much rain, the tomatoes are growing. What's going on right now is they're fattening up on the stalks. I'm cutting all the suckers that grow between the vines. I'm cutting all those out so it focuses on the stems and growing tall. But right now, there is some growth growing up, but for the most part, they're growing width on the bottom. Here's one that I haven't pruned yet, so we got some extra growth coming out of the bottom. I gotta figure out, I'll probably cut those out here in a little bit. So the roots, I want the roots to get established, get fat, because I want these tomatoes come mid-June, end of June. These tomatoes, we're gonna have so many tomatoes, I'm gonna have to have some of y'all come and get some. Beets. I gotta cut some of these leaves off and eat them. Look at that. Another eggplant. More beans. All right, so here's, I'm gonna show you 2 plants. And I know what I planted. See all these right here? I planted okra in the sides, but what do we got here? Every day I find a new bug that I didn't see before. But anyways, this is not okra, but that it goes. This thing is probably